Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Kat tu kan ingot kiri Paidbah kilami Syahmat ban ai Khublei kerpang ya kinos ki besyakri ha ki hospital repair jong ka jela Meghalaya ha ka jing rakhe ya ka International Nurses Day ha ka khat atru jemang arajar arpuai ka badai ru ka lingkhu singkha jong ka Florence Nightingale ka badai ka nongseng ya ka jing sumar kerpang ya kinos tu mentang nia sengap ayu kini kiri Paidbah kidon ban ai Khublei kerpang ya kinos ki bala syakri mit labat sengi haki hospital repair jong jela barok kawai hapdeng ke jing kontma persya ayu nyang jingpang COVID-19 ubalawan len shop teng ya ka jela Meghalaya hakini ka sien ka baar
Nagalan juga ki semua circle marka ki esu hebat kawai isu ban ai Khublei kerpang ni sin nasus dia bani ke sin kerpang dinas hanya po jela jini pada po perti hebat kawai de kembang ihi hostan baladam badan istan nomta kajingwan joni kham COVID ka kenai kalau pun sojar hadu kata ya jala juni ke India pada parti boleh kalau sembro ya bun ke sembrio bat kebala maru ya sistem kebala bun nani ka kan COVID ka kendai tena kalian juni kesangi aga ya musim sikat deh kan tami ginas kebala tray borba bor musim kan siatian bat kan kan diam ka mi syakmat ban ai ya kalau ban ai ka sikat go batam hakam ka jompi man masuk ai Khublei ru unjuk ki doktor ki staff baru ki badan apa health ki bala tray syamat ban mesin nam taban yakun persya ban penduk pendam ya ni kutang pang hani po kajala ka juni bat kani ka por na sama amba ka di jini hak ka dai mi dan kami ka jini tray lang habaro kalian na duka na duki dor basnong kisem halang ban kumjuru ban ya tren ka ban rap din khong no ya kani kham na ni po kajala ka juni te ngi ai ruka jika tulang ni sarkar hakum kani kapur ba kan pulut kambun ke som pisa habli ko ka kya habaro mundai tahani po shalom mundai habaro ki habo shadow shegi chanyo kan dom na ki PSC ki CSC bat kumjuru ya ki private hostel naso ba gini ban hak kerpang namta joki na marketing maki ki balong kita ki frontliners kiban yakun persya ini ka jingpang hani po kajala ka jungi ti ngasuban amba ke surka haban perkhat hamba habli kani makan chu perlut kai ka bisa haki iki bomdan ngrem kum haki snam ki balek bun ni ka jingpang serwa kai bisa ka bun ki festival ayu hendai ngasuban hani ko kamat ka bakhmat do kali kerpang namta ka ka kya ban namta garap karyang hakum kini hapor bawan kadang nan sneo Tena kalian jungi kaki asium mulai circle lu ni ketbok tu yang pi baru kinas ki doktor ki staff baru ki berana po kahel ba ublein dan kat lambat pi ba kini try ni kam cam di syakti yang berkam salia na kalian jungi ka sengru ngin bu apa ki jindwai halagi jungi yang sam ban ni train kat ru la dangi dan kam ban mi hanono poro ban ni train kat ban rap ni kong ya di Jepang ni po kejela jungi ban na kajet dan jungi hi berokwe Khublei sibuan
Nagaland ka Grand Council of Chiefs of Meghalaya, ka Federation of Khasi States, ka Dorbar, ki Khlit of Sanchar, ka Rihin Trep, ki Kwa ban ai Khublei kerpang madaksi, ya baro ki nurse, ki besyakri, ya ki Paidbah hakum ka ni ka por, jong ka jingdon ka ni ka khlam COVID-19. Ai Khublei yapi ki nurse baro Kerman pidon haka met ka wasyat paklan bahiyam basem jokiru ban isode ban ai Khublei kerpang ya pi baro nagani ka jin sakri joki ya ka jai bunrio haki betai ba pidon ki nas ki badan haki COVID centers ki COVID ward mo ki turri ka ni ka thama klem jin chapti de ka ni ka si kerpang joki ka baga prathai bro hoy ka rakhi ya ka International Nurses Day ka khat artarik banai mi khat khandai spa nyu pusau ka de ka sika jong ka Florence Nightingale par la seng ya ni ka la rai ban rakhi ka ni ka sngi ka bade ka sika jong ka Florence Nightingale bakan long ka sngi jong ka prathai ka baki rakhi ki puram ya kinas ha ka ju ka por na kwa ban ka tu ka pat yo Chief Minister Conrad Sangma ba el hek health minister but baro ki MLA bangimla ban siu kuliang ya jing sakri ju ki nurse kuntuk ki doctor bat nga so ban ong ba hakum kani ka por lada long ka bala ka sarkar ban siu kuliang ya jing tristom ju ki jing IT ju ki nagabta ki Paidbah lada ki la pan extend ya jing sakri ju ki ka service period ju ki sa arsna nam try ndon boknyum ya kum kata ka jing le nagalyak sarkar kaban long kum ka jing ai Khublei ya ki nurse ya ki doctor ki bla sakri yami mentala palat sistem hakani ka jing le kathma joga khlam khandai Khublei.
The world of COVID-19 pandemic, which has engulfed and which have brought the world to its knees, I have no other things to give to the dear nurses of the world, and especially the nurses working for our people in the state of Meghalaya. But I take this opportunity to salute the nurses and to thank the nurses who are continuously rendering their tireless service to keep the community safe and to keep each and every one of us safe. They are the ones that needs to be respected, and they are the ones that needs to be thanked, and they are the ones that deserve the respect, the honor, and every love that we can offer to them. Each and every one of us need to give our thanks, our gratitude, and our gratefulness to the nurses, and not only to the nurses but to all the frontline workers who are working selflessly and tirelessly for the community in this time of crisis. The nurses, the midwives, the doctors, the ward boys, the ward girls, and everyone who are involved in the fight against the pandemic, which is COVID-19. They deserve our respect. They deserve to be honored and respected at all levels and by all the stakeholders of the world. Once again, I have nothing much to say, but from the depth of my heart, thank you. Thank you for all the dedications that you have rendered to the people and to the community and to those who really need of your help and service. Once again, I would like to thank each and every one of you for choosing a service that can serve mankind and humanity. Without you, this world would not have been as it is today. Through trying times and through times of hardships like these, yet you do not falter, yet you do not fall apart, yet you do not break away from the dedication and from the calling that has been bestowed upon you, but you took it to a whole new level to serve the community. Once again, from the depth of my heart, as I've said, I thank you. I thank each and every one of you for your dedication and for your service to mankind and to the world as a whole. Last but not the least, dear friends, in trying times like these, in times when we do not know what the future beholds, what the future is for us, but all I have to say and all I can say to you is, take care, heed each and every protocol, each and every instructions that has been rendered and given to you by the health department of the world, of the district, and of the state, and all the messages that they have been giving us to keep us safe. All we have to do is respect them, honor them, and let us all play a role. Let us not just leave aside all the things we have in us, but let us dedicate our lives and let us fight this war. Let us fight this pandemic with a heart, and let us give our 100%, and let us give our services in whatever way we can to the healthcare workers, so that we will have a normal life again. Because this pandemic have really cost us a lot. They have cost us our work, they have cost us our education, they have cost us our lives. But if we are faithful and if we are dedicated to fighting this menace once and for all, we can make this world a better place to live in the years to come.